Welcome to our channel, KOLEOSO Part 4. If you want to be part of the lucky people that win gifts on this channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment your favorite actor or actress to the comment section. Because some people have been winning prizes of airtime, data, 5,000 to 10,000 naira on this channel, just by subscribing to our channel, liking our videos, and commenting their favorite actor and actress. KOLEOSO Part 4, the final saga of the top-notch movie that is trending across the nation right now. If you want to be the first person to watch this movie, subscribe to our channel. Watch this video to the end because on this video, you are going to get more details about the movie. Wait, can we say Lalude is not fortified enough that Itele is behaving like this to someone he claims to love, that is appearing to her all the times? May God have mercy upon us. Ite's work in this movie is remarkable, showcasing a level of wisdom and insight that is really impressive. The way he have crafted the movie reveals a deep understanding of human nature. It's indeed a top-notch movie. KOLEOSO, some people did not even have a week of sleep because of this movie. Some are dying to complete all the episodes. The part 4 of this movie is going to be a blockbuster hit. Mark my words, if you want to be the first to watch it, subscribe to our channel, comment your favorite actor and actress, and like this video for more exclusive content. Don't forget the gift I mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching. Bye.